genuine
tell you what,
reaction.
guys.
You know,
Whoa! Bat. Fucking hell, it's a big one.
fucking hell, it is a big one. Fuck me.
Go on, you.
Oh, it's coming in here. Fuck. Was it gone, man?
That looked like it's sort of a cartoon.
Right, so we've gone full on night vision and we are starting off the investigation inside this room with the snooker table, where we heard what sounded like bricks or pebbles being chucked down the stairs. That's the only thing I can describe it as.
Yeah.
If there's anyone who remains inside this house, could you please come forward and make yourself known? Can you make a noise?
Would you like to come forward again for us, please? Would you like to make a noise? Use your voice again. We really want to communicate with you.